It is Sunday, my dudes. We're gonna make pupusas.
Of all my lessons, siempre parece saber cuándo volver a mí. Of all my
Start by making the
blessings,
curtido. And it needs to boil. I'm gonna use that. I should have made this yesterday y me valió verde. So, also my sink is full of dishes. I always break these ones for my husband. Take this piece of an onion, and I think I might use more, but I'm gonna start with this, and I'm just gonna rallarla. How do you even? It's a good thing I have a second one because I'm missing a piece and I don't know where it's at. You better get it. And just rayar like super fine and at an angle. I know my ancestors would be so proud of me, but low-key they wouldn't. They'll be like, girl, do this by hand. When your man is working out, but not you. Oh, my hands are gonna smell like freaking onion now. Spent eternity trying to peel the onion. You got to peel the onion? Oh, you're so gross, bestie. I'm gonna put it in there. Floof it up. Just pour about... This is gonna become nothing. Yeah. I'm going to mix it. Oh my gosh. I think I did it right. Come on, bestie. You got this. Oh shit. Being a chef is so hard. For this, I like to use rice vinegar. This one. Some of this. We need some more oregano. Try to drain it. Ay, hijo de tu madre, estás bien caliente, o sea. Alright, I'm gonna put some salt. This is gonna be a very rough recipe. Okay. A little vinegar. Rice vinegar. Hate the smell of vinegar. Hate trying things. I'm disappointed in myself. I'll let my husband fix that. Okay, moving on to the main event. I have my comal, I'm getting ready. It's getting warmed up. Not a healthy meal by any means, so just FYI. I think I'm gonna do this one. These, I'm gonna put this much. It's a lot of cheese. For 30 seconds. Not even. Good job. Okay. We're gonna start doing this. Perfect. It's not hot. It's not burning. She's just softer. Enough zucchini, otherwise they're gonna come out aguanosas. So we don't need that. That's like half of the zucchini. Keep track of the recipe, but we're gonna take spinach, like that much, and we're just gonna chop it nice and small. I didn't make any salsa. The one part of the pupusas that I struggle with the most finally enough. My husband said we needed to eat veggies today, so this is my version of eating vegetables because I don't like vegetables like that. All right, now I'm going to put the spinach on the cheese. I know. I'm gonna put the zucchini, dude. All right, a little salt, consomme de pollo, which I'm gonna assume is this one. It is this one. Really, when I mean a little bit, I do mean like that much. Bless you, bless you. And now we're going to amasarlo. So it looks like this. And now you're just going to mix and try to get the cheese to incorporate with the spinach. If you need more cheese, adjust your cheese amounts. Make it like a masita. Yeah, we might need more cheese. Majority of it is already warm, so that's gonna be good. Now, some people would taste test this. I don't want to, but I've been told a chef has to try stuff. So, okay, let's try it. Need salt. This is what the inside of your pupusas are gonna taste like. So you want it to be like tasty, because otherwise your pupusas are gonna be flavorless. I think it's solid. This is where things are gonna get messy. We're gonna make the masa. So I honestly saying you measure with your heart. The key on these, to use warm water. Ah, I'm gonna get all dirty. That's okay. Little by little. It's ready, let's see. She is ready, because we will be using oil too. So we're gonna start, we're gonna make one like this.
Wait.
You're so ready.
Oh crap.
And then you make like a little hole. So you make like a little hole like this. I didn't learn to make pupusas until like later in life. I want to grab a good chunk because these are not to sell. These are for you. So you want these to be full. And then you're going to close it up and then seal it. Now that it's a la madre, it ripped today. I told you it was too thin, but that's okay. Bless you. Now that you have a tortita like this, what I like to do is put a tiny bit of oil in a plate like this and then dip my fingers and just put it all over masita and then just go. And the comal has been heating up for like 20 minutes. This is not gonna be my finest pupusa, but she's gonna be good. And I know it. I have trust in you because I love you. But this is the first one. And I like for it to be like aplastadita from the sides and the center. Like.
Pretty great.
You sure?
Yeah. It's good, man. O sea que tiene que darle tiempo. I mean, probably when you tasted it, it was like just...
Recién hecho? Yeah, it was recién
Yeah,
hecho.
just give it a moment.
Okay.
Y se empieza a pickle.
It's good?
Yeah,
You
it's
sure?
really good. Yeah.
Okay. We're gonna make it chiloso. Same thing.
Salsa too, or just...
I don't know how to make the salsa, if I'm being so honest with you. I'm gonna pump up the heat. Pump up the jam, pump it up. Secret to the masa, like, you know, is to kind of have your hands moisturized.
Oh, hell yeah. That's good.
That's good? Hell yeah, I'm glad.
Just have to give it some time.
I don't like curtido by itself. Yeah, curtido needs to be attached to something else.
Es que it's tangy.
It's a strong ass flavor.
Yeah.
You want to make a chai tea? And they will rip, and that's totally fine.
They should, but...
They always do. Don't be shaming my pupusas. I make excited. We haven't made pupusas in a while. Do you want huevitos o solo las pupusas?
I think pupusas are gonna be.
Enough?
Yeah.
Okay.
Porque son bien llenadoras. 1, 2, 5. Uno y tostado.
Cinnamon sticks?
Cinnamon stick.
My friend's mom, she can pump these out in like seconds, and I'm here taking my time with one. So we have 7 pupusas cooking right now. I'll show you that. And I have this remaining masa, so I'm gonna make some tortillas for later. These are the pupusas. Look at that. And then my man is making chai. This is it.
This is my first attempt.
These are pupusas. My hair looks crazy. How is it? What do you mean?
Dímelo cayendo, what the hell?
Also hot. Oh, okay.
That's what I said. I almost got crucified.
Delicious though.
Delicious.
I mean, I'll take it. Do you want to show your tea? The tea my husband made.
It tiene honey.
But it's good. It's really good. Let's go.
Of all my lessons,